Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Fomo app freezing on its loading screen and never actually reaching your feed? Here's the fix. First, open any web browser on your phone and load the website just to confirm your internet is actually loading. After that, go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. After that, turn it back off, which fully resets your network connection and clears the stall session. Force close the Fomo app completely from your recent apps and then reopen it fresh from on that reset connection. If it's still stuck on loading, go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, then scroll to the list of apps and find the Fomo app. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store, search for Fomo, tap on it and reinstall it again to clear a corrupted cache. After reinstalling, go to the settings app again, then go back, then go to software update and confirm that your iOS is current since loading freezes are most common on outdated iOS versions. And remember, FOMO is mobile only, so there is no desktop version to fall back on when you troubleshoot. So all you've got to do is confirm your connection, reset with airplane mode, force close and reopen, then offload and reinstall if it proceeds. So all you've got to do is, and that's it. Subscribe.